So the next method that we're going to learn how to use to solve proportions is called undoing division method. So in this, okay, we're looking at the same ratio right here. 10 is to 7. So 10 minutes for 7 cranes is equal to, we don't know how many minutes, to 1,505 cranes. So this is the same problem that we've been looking at. But we've noticed that in this ratio, x is divided by 1,505. See, right there, x is divided by 1,505. So we can remember that you can undo division by multiplication. So we're going to use the fact that we can undo division by multiplication to solve this. So over here, we don't want x to be divided by 1,505 anymore. So we're going to multiply it by 1,505 over 1. Okay, so let me write this out again. So x over 1,505 is equal to 10 over 7. So we're going to undo this being divided by multiplying it by 1,505. Okay, the reason that we're putting the 1 underneath there is because, you know, we're dealing with something that has 2 levels, like a fraction does. And so we're just going to divide it by 1, which we know that any other number divided by 1 is just equal to that number. So, but this helps us because now we realize, oh, we've got a denominator and a numerator that are the same number, so we can cancel. And so on this side, all we have left is x divided by 1, which we know is just equal to x. Now on this side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to be multiplying it by 1,505, because if we do it to one side, we have to do it to the other. And so now here's our problem. It's 1,505 times 10 over 1 times 7, which is really just 7. So here's the math that we have to do now. So if we just multiply that, that's 1,505, well, we add a 0 at the end because we're multiplying it by 10. So it's 15,000 divided by 7. That's still equal to x. And then if we did the math, we would find out that this is equal to 2,150. All right, so that's undoing division. We undo it by multiplying it both sides by whatever that denominator is, whatever is dividing into x.